organs, they don't just keep you alive. They do more than you think. Each one hides a secret superpower. A power that shapes your emotions, your decisions, even your survival. For decades, you've been using these powers without ever realizing it. Today, we'll unlock the hidden potential of your heart, brain, liver, lungs, and kidneys. You probably think your heart only pumps blood, your brain just thinks, and your lungs only breathe. Your liver, it only filters toxins. Your kidneys, they just clean your blood. Wrong. Every organ in your body is quietly influencing your life in ways most people never notice. Each organ is a master of hidden skills, a superpower waiting to be understood. Your heart isn't just a pump. It sends more signals to your brain than your brain sends to it. Those signals affect your emotions, intuition, and decision-making. Ever felt a gut feeling before making a choice? Your heart helped create it. It also influences stress levels and hormonal balance. A calm, steady heartbeat isn't just good for your body. It changes the way you think and react. Your heart is a hidden communicator, quietly shaping your mind every second. Now, let's talk about brain. Your brain isn't just thinking. It's predicting, adapting, and rewiring itself constantly. This is called neuroplasticity, your brain's hidden superpower. It can heal after injury, strengthen through learning, and even improve memory and decision-making. Your brain doesn't wait for danger. It anticipates it. It fills in gaps, corrects mistakes, and processes thousands of inputs simultaneously. Every decision you make, every habit you form, every creative thought is powered by this silent, constantly evolving organ. Your brain isn't just active. It's adaptive, intuitive, and extraordinary. Now, let's jump towards liver. Your liver does more than filter toxins. It communicates with your immune system, regulates metabolism, and stores energy. It also balances hormones and supports digestion. Every time you eat, your liver decides how to process nutrients, store energy, and manage waste. Even when you're resting, it's working silently, ensuring your body has fuel and protection. Think of it like a quiet helper doing many tasks together. As a silent multitasker, efficient, powerful, and often overlooked. Without your liver's hidden superpowers, your body couldn't survive even a single day. After that, we have the lungs. Your lungs do more than supply oxygen. They regulate your nervous system and influence mental states. Deep breathing lowers stress, improves focus, and strengthens immunity. Even a simple inhale and exhale activates a hidden rhythm in your body. Your lungs connect with your brain and heart, subtly guiding emotions and energy levels. This organ quietly balances your internal state every second of every day. Your lungs are both fuel providers and life regulators, a hidden superpower that silently keeps your mind and body in harmony. Let's move on towards kidney.
Ready, guys?
Ready.
Okay, let's go.
They monitor blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and release hormones that affect bones and red blood cells. They are silent guardians, keeping your body stable, alert, and healthy. Even small changes in your hydration or stress levels are detected and adjusted instantly. Your kidneys are constantly scanning, filtering, and fine-tuning your body systems. They work quietly, unseen, but their hidden superpowers affect energy, alertness, and long-term survival. Most people think organs only work in isolation. The truth: they communicate constantly. Heart, brain, liver, lungs, and kidneys form a network, guiding emotions, health, and decisions. Every heartbeat, every breath, every metabolic reaction is part of this hidden superpower system. Your organs are far more intelligent, adaptive, and connected than most people realize. So, next time you feel your heart racing, your brain thinking fast, your liver digesting, your lungs calming you, or your kidneys adjusting silently, remember, you're not just alive, you're thriving with hidden superpowers inside your organs. That's it for today. Subscribe, comment, and like the channel if you want more.